one of our inaugural things we do at a welding rodeo, at least where I come from. I don't know about you guys, but we start with a good, hearty, deep yeehaw. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes, it feels so good. Thank you so much for doing that.
The theme is soar higher. There might be some you might have to reach a little bit to think about how they're really soaring, but
we also have some scrap metal donors that deserve a round of applause. Enstrom helicopter. Your scrap metal made these beautiful, beautiful pieces of work. Thank you very much to our scrap donors.
I'm Garrett Wolesker. This is Cole, Ty, and Ken. And we built the helicopter right there with the big Enstrom logos on it. We had a plan and we changed it about 10 different times, but the end result is obviously what you see. The tail cone was probably the hardest part. The tacks on it are mimic the rivets that the skins are attached to.
I want to thank you guys. You did some great work here. Looking forward to see who wins. Looking forward to spend some money.
All right, now what everybody's been waiting for.
We're going to move over to the Enstrom 580B. Our second place finisher. Your 280 points.
Welding helmet from Mylener Electric.
All right, the Enstrom helicopter. We're going to start the second place finisher here with a bid of $300. I need $300. Jill, could you come here for a minute and demonstrate that the blades of the helicopter actually work? 500 going once, 500 going twice. All right, 550 in the back. 600. Sold.